Who's missing?
Me?
Okay, you're here, but
Oh.
who's missing?
Who's missing?
Hi everyone, a little teaser here called Who's Missing. So, Heather, look at the zoo here. What is this animal? It's an
elephant.
Yes. What is this animal?
It's a kangaroo.
It's a kangaroo. What is this animal?
It's a crocodile.
Crocodile, yes. Now, oh no!
What? What?
There was a problem.
There was a problem?
Yeah. One animal escaped the zoo. One animal escaped the zoo. Repeat. One animal escaped the zoo. Now look. Look at this zoo. One animal escaped the zoo. What animal?
Not the kangaroo.
Oh,
not
kangaroo,
the crocodile, not the elephant.
Elephant. It's around here.
Around here.
Help your students if they don't really see it at first.
I know. It's the penguin.
The penguin.
Penguin.
Say, the penguin escaped!
The penguin escaped!
Yeah, the penguin escaped! Look at this. Here we have a penguin and... Oh no, the penguin escaped!
Oh no, the penguin escaped!
Oh, so sad! Let's find the penguin.
Let's find the penguin.
That's another tutorial. Penguin escape. Okay, this teaser you can also do it with other material where you, other pictures where you removed one thing and kids have to find it. Great teaser. Bye everyone.